How to find Roblox User ID on phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and search roblox.com and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on your profile. After you click on your profile, click on the search bar at the top, and then in the search bar you'll find this number, and this is your user ID. You can copy it and use it wherever you want. This is how to find Roblox user ID on phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.